Hello friends, this is a promotional video. I have uploaded a course on topic STL in Udemy platform. So if you are interested to enroll in this course, what you can do is that you can go in the description section, copy the link of this course, and there will be a access code which is a free coupon code using which you can enroll yourself freely in this course. Okay, so what you need to do is that copy the link, click on the link, then click on apply coupon code. After typing the code which I have mentioned in the description section, you can click on enroll now, and after that you will be enrolled in this course. So probably the course is all about. Hello friends, this is a crash course on the topic C++ STL. So STL stands for Standard Template Library. In this course, what we are going to cover is like what is STL, what is the concept behind template, what are its types, what is iterator. Probably this course is divided into two major parts. One is container and the other one is algorithms. So probably it's important to know what is container, what are the types of container, as well as practical implementation of all the types of container. Okay, so we are going to discuss the basic introduction of data structure like vector, stack, queue, linked list, map, set, as well as we are going to understand why we need container, what is the advantage of template in C++. Probably the next section is algorithm section, where we are performing some algorithmic approach of solving a particular problem like sorting, reverse, merge, built-in pop count, and built-in function for finding maximum and minimum element. What you will get is detailed videos with proper explanation, practical implementation, basic problem solving ability, proper resources, and detailed and well documented code base for all the containers and algorithms. Okay, so probably if you know C++ and if you want to master DSA, you need this course. And my course lies in middle of these two entity. Okay, so there is a relation. Like if you know C++ and you want to master DSA, you need to take this course because it will help you to understand the basic concepts of data structure as well as how you're going to implement all those containers, all those structures in your code so that you can easily solve the interview problems or any kind of coding problems which will be given to you. So the value of my course lies over here. It bridges the gap between knowing C++ and mastering data structure and algorithm.